The Student Success Center is a centralized tutorial center offering a variety of services free of charge to all students currently enrolled at OCC. If you need help with any writing or reading assignment for any OCC class, the tutors in the writing and reading area are here to support you. You can drop in for a 30-minute session or schedule an individual appointment with a tutor. If you need help with your math homework, drop into the math area and get help from one of multiple math tutors. You can also join a tutor-led study group where you can work together with other students to learn and understand difficult material. Need help with your other classes? Tutoring is available for a variety of courses such as accounting, economics, business, most sciences, social and behavioral science, and world languages. Feel free to drop in when a tutor is available for the subject you need help with. The Success Center offers weekly workshops on a variety of topics, such as time management, note-taking, and study habits. Visit our website to see the workshop schedule and to find out more information about our hours and other services we offer. Or you can stop by in person. We are located in C&L 103 directly under the clock tower.